So good.
Yeah. So I figured noxious thing.
Thanks, dude.
Thank you very much. Nice.
Seemed to be fairly free.
Yeah.
I don't think it was resisting too much. But that's what where the working out comes in.
Yes.
Because when you're at rest, you're at rest. You're not tense, as tense at least. Because you can use your muscles, you're exhausted a little bit. Versus them being edgy all the time.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of times, even after I adjust you, your left leg will still be a little short.
I know.
But it's actually even now.
Oh, good.
Let's get you turned over.
If I don't move, I'll be outside.
Yeah. Just make a cast in this position.
Yeah, what the what the hand chuck?
Like half a leg burn.
Yes, yes. That's without face mask.
Maybe not. Yeah.
So you don't belong to the Italian American Club anymore?
Still participate, but it's not worth paying dues yet until I have a little more free time.
Oh, Robin, Christina, and Sandy, and John, all involved in that. So,
It's not basically all the younger people left. And it wasn't as fun of a crowd anymore.
well, they had a Wise Guys thing on Wednesday night. And, I ended up leaving because of the amount of food cooking. And the people in there was really bad. Even my mother was having a problem.
Really?
Yeah, it was just nasty. It was just so smoky for a kitchen. It does not even fit. And from what I could see, it was way older. It's up there. Michelle's good.
So they had a thing there, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, if you went to that Pink Magazine, which is the only place they advertised, you could get your first drink was free. And they had free hors d'oeuvres, which of course I couldn't eat because everything was about as fryer.
But this involved the club, is that what you're
Yeah.
saying?
And the club came and they invited other people to come and talk to them and join if they wanted to.
It's probably
It's $100 for 2 years. You get a free t-shirt and a hat. And when Michelle's training, she's training everything these days. Oh yeah.
I saw her at the when the Toys for Tots thing was. She's not.
Yeah, she's involved in some women's group in Bluffton.
Well, there is a
I don't know what the name is.
Zamta.
Yeah, that's it.
Zamta's cool. It's probably the biggest professional women's organization.
And she's joining that. She's joining the American Italian Club, and I don't know what she's going to join. I don't really see her anymore. Since I'm not doing this interesting stretching after here, by the end of the day I'm stressed out. It's working out. I'll do some of my stretching that no more of the other ones. People keep showing me stretches. I'm like, no, never mind. I'll do those.
Just keep it simple.
Yes. Without pain. I'm still amazed.